Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Today we are going to smoke some salmon. Yesterday, about 24 hours ago, I sprinkled some brown sugar and salt on this and a ton of liquid came out. We're going to rinse it off and pat it dry. We've never done smoked salmon before, so we're going to give it a try. You can see some of that brown sugar got in there. This will be interesting. I'm going to rinse it so it's not too salty. Again, we've never done this before, so kind of a trial and error. We don't want it to be too salty, because then it really ain't edible. And there's a piece of skin on the back of this one, so we should be good with the rear end. We're going to smoke this at about 150, I think, until it gets to 130 to 40 or more. We'll get ready to throw it in the smoker. Probably have to pat it dry a little more. Alright, y'all, we're going to smoke this at 150 for a couple hours. Well, it firmed up a little. Look at that. Where? I'm destroying it a little bit, but big?
Yeah.
But we'll be okay. Man, it really firmed up. Weird. Pat it dry a little bit. Shut her down. Couple hours at 150. Smoke it up. Alright, y'all. It's been almost 4 hours. I know it took a while, but and the skin is like black now. It looks crazy. Hopefully it's good. We'll eat it soon. It's got a nice little crust on there. You can see her crackling. Crazy, y'all. Bon appetit. Look how thin this is.
They're gonna love it.
They love Wish. Wow.
Wish treat snacks?
It just pulls right off the skin. Yeah. It's like orange. Cute. That bite is sweet. Try that one. It's very sweet. On the top, you can taste that brown sugar. You taste that sweet?
Maybe a little. Yeah, I can taste it a little.
A little bit.
This side, you cannot taste it at all.
Because I sprinkled brown sugar and salt all over it. That's what I read, so I did it. Yeah, it's pretty good. Serve it on some rice, just plain.
Yeah,
so good.
Okay.
Wow.
That comes off better than foil.
Oh, it's delicious.
Huh.
Good work, honey. Alright, y'all, I don't know when you'll see these videos, what order, but we made some fried rice. So I'm going to serve him up some, get it broken up, and I'm going to get some of this salmon. I usually eat the skinnier side, and he usually eats this fatter side. This side's like really thin, so the girls might get to try this. I'm gonna give him a nice chunk here. Oh, that bite was salty. Should just peel right away. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice thick chunk there. You could see the beautiful skin. Look at that. That looks incredible. Alright, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing, following us along for more, and check out our channel for more recipes and delicious food, y'all. This turned out absolutely incredible and beautiful. Look at that salmon orange color. I love it. Catch you next time, y'all. Bon appetit. Peace out. Delicious.